This is all salvage.
Look, Crunchy's hat. But he had this on when we were rescued. How did it end up back in the water?
He must have gone back.
If he went back out there with that monster, he's crazier than this hat.
Come on, gang. Let's check it out.
Looks like nobody's home.
Like, doesn't anyone ever work on this island?
Hey, kickin' home theater. Check out how clear the DVD picture is on this flat plasma screen.
Looks like Crunchy has fish on the brain. He must have shot this through the bottom of his boat.
Speaking of boats, it looks like one is missing.
Do you think Crunchy went after Mono Shando in that little dinghy?
If he did, he's a little dingy.
We have to find him before he becomes a bite-sized morsel for that king-sized monster. It sure was nice of Maura Ravenmane and her staff to loan us all this high-tech equipment.
She even had prescription lens goggles for me.
Like, too bad she was too busy to come along.
I wonder what would keep a marine biologist away from a huge discovery, like a sea monster.
Self-preservation? She's a smart lady. She even cured my seasickness. See? Huh?
Don't panic. It can't get us here in the boat.
Okay, now we can panic. No Scooby snacks! We're sunk!
Quick, gang. Scramble into the scuba gear.
I bet we'll get to the bottom of this mystery at the bottom of the ocean.
Go down there with that sickening sea snake? No way!
Then you two can wait for us here, all alone.
Oh, no, Daphne. We'll be just fine up here. Like going down. Next stop, ocean floor. Are you reading me, Scoob? I'm getting some funky static. That's better. Hey, like, what's that? Oh no, Scoob! Here it comes again!
What are you two chickens of the sea doing down here?
Velma, we thought you were the monster. You sound just like her.
Hey, check out the cool scuba bikes we scavenged from the shipwreck.
While you're at it, check this out.
Jeepers, a graveyard of wrecked ships.
Why graveyard? Why not junkyard of wrecked ships or parking lot of wrecked ships?
Now, it's all very simple. When Moto Shandu comes through this gap in the reef, at Velma's signal, Daphne and I will use the jets from the scuba bikes to topple these precariously balanced hulks. As soon as Green, Guild, and Gory swims through that gap, timber!
I'm seriously thinking about having live bait taken off my resume.
Me too.